Hi friends, welcome in the ERP SAP team YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn a few very important tips related to MM modules and PM modules. Okay. For example, uh, generally people are saying what is the use of MB51 and MB52. Okay. So we are going to use the MB51. MB51 basically a transaction code where you can get the goods issue and good receipt history. Okay, so for example, you can if you want to get the particular material list, particular particular material consumptions history, then you can fill the material code. Okay, otherwise you can fill your plant code. And for example, if I am just picking the plant code and just want to get the data of all the goods receipt in this financial year. So for example, once you good receipt against purchase order, the movement type is 101. Okay, okay, posting date is from 1st April 2021 to 25th December 2021. During this financial year, in this plant code, using movement type 101, how much amount of the goods received in our main storage location. If you have a specific vendor, for example, ABC is a vendor and you have vendor code, and you want to get the data of the particular goods supplied by that particular vendor, then you can fill the vendor also. Getting my points? So I'm just clicking on this data. So system will give me the data of, okay. So in total financial year, we have received only three material. First one is a card primary mux control. Second one is POEPC 144 fiber, 144 pair, and paper photostat white. Okay, only three materials I have received in our plant code and this particular location against these purchase order. These are the purchase order, these are the quantities, these are the value of the material we have received, these are the respective material document number, this is our plant code, these are the one movement time. Fine. So this is all about MB51. So MB51 you can utilize these things. Okay, let's go. The next transaction code is MB52. MB52. Through MB52, we can check the warehouse stock of the material. We have a warehouse. On that warehouse, we have unrestricted stock. We have project stock, and we have transit stock. Three types of the generally stocks are there. Okay, so if you want to get the query of the particular material, then you can fill the material code. You can fill the plenty of material code from multiple selections. Okay, for those material you just want to get all the queries. Plant code. Okay, storage location, material type. For example, you just want to get the data of different type of the material. For example, I just want to get the data of the electrical type of the material. Okay, and one unrestricted stock at our store. Okay, so you can choose the appropriate drop down from here. You can create your own drop down. Okay, you can create your own drop down like slash store. Just I am choosing slash store. Okay, okay, and in particular this plant location and this storage location, I just want to get the data of the electrical material. Okay, and some other material also. Some jet TCS type of the material also. Okay, I'm just going to execute this data. System will give the actual status of the current warehouse stock. Okay, see, such type of the stock is available in the our store. Okay, For example, this material code 212 number quantities are there, okay, and the bearing quantities is there. All the material which are available in our store is reflecting here. Okay, hope you understand these things. So you can also get the data of other things like material type, material group, material description and all. Okay, so the unrestricted means, what the unrestricted means, the you can use this material to any project, any maintenance project and any other project. Okay, you can issue that things. Okay, one more thing, MMBE. MMBE is a transaction code. Okay, stock overview, company code, plant code, storage location and batch. Okay, for example, I just want to get the data of something, this material 12000913. Okay, then click on the material code, click on the plant code, click on the storage location, then system will give you, and just click on this, always select special stock, always select stock commitments, no zero stock lines, company code, plant, storage location, batch and special stock. Okay, so I'm just clicking on execute. See how you can check the data of from MMB full quantity 166 quantity, and in SSA Coimbatore in the main store. These are the data of this material, and if just click on the detail display, then system will give you the data of the product orders and all things. Okay, so reserve quantity, receipt quantity, order stock, consignment stock, and all things you will get here. Okay, hope you understand. Nothing. GR block, transferred, scheduled for delivery, returns, block. Every every detailed structure of the your present stock is reflecting here. Okay, so this is all about how you can get the detailed overview of your stock present in your warehouse using MB51. MB51 is a actual good receipt and good issue status with the detailed documents numbers with the posting date, movement types and all. MB52 is the current status of your warehouse stock, like how many stacks is reserved in the project, how many stacks is in the transit means from a vendor has issued the order, you have issued the purchase order, and somehow the stock is pending from the vendor sides. Okay, from inter plant movements, those stocks in the transit stock. Unrestricted stock is actual stock available in our warehouse store. Okay, so this is all about MB51, MB52 and MMBE. Hope you like this SAP tutorial. Please share this SAP tutorial with your friends and colleagues, and if you have any query on your mind, please mention in the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.